Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine and safe with the blessings of Allah. Welcome to Pakistan School Muscat e-learning. Today we are going to start new chapter number 8, creating tables in Word 2013. Today our class objectives are modify tables properties, adjust rows and column, enter items into tables. Okay students, so let's recall our previous lecture. We have done what is a table. What is a table? A table refers to a set of data. It can be text or numbers arranged in rows and columns. What is a cell? The intersection of rows and columns from rectangular boxes called cells. And what is a column? A column is the vertical series of cells in a table. And what is a row? A row is the horizontal series of cells in a table. Hope it is clear to all of you. You can also read page number 90 and recall your things. Okay? In MS Word, there are many different ways to create a table, like using grid or using quick table, convert into table. So in this way we can create a table. Table option on the insert tab using grid. So we can click the insert tab and click the table option. Then afterward you can see on the screen a table grid appears. It is called table grid. Okay. So drag the mouse but to highlighting the desired numbers of rows and columns. So in this way we can insert a table. To insert a table in a document, we can use the insert table option, and with the help of insert table dialog box, we can specify the number of rows and columns, and then we can click OK. Afterward, the desired table is inserted in the document. Okay students, so let's discuss another way to insert a table using quick tables. Quick tables provide various templates for a table. Templates are examples of layouts or designs provided in a software, as for tables in this case. After selecting that layout of your choice, you can fill it in with your own data. You can also convert existing text into a table as we have done before. First of all, we have to click the insert tab, then click the table option and then select convert text to table from the drop down menu. Afterward, the convert text to table dialog box will appear. Then click OK to close the convert text to table dialog box. Afterward, the selected text will appear in the table form. Okay students, so if you have created a table in Word 2013, you can modify it. For example, if you want to insert or delete rows, or if you want to insert or delete columns and merge or split the cells, easily you can do in a table. Okay. Okay students, hope it is clear to all of you. All of you have to practice at home how to insert a table, how to delete rows, and how to insert the columns and merge or split cells. And all of you know that mistakes are proof that you are trying. Okay students? Thank you so much students, and Allah Hafiz.